Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with what matters, the code and the right account. Sign in to the Microsoft account that matches your Xbox profile because gift cards credit that identity. Once signed in, open the Microsoft Store or the Xbox app on your PC. Make sure Windows updates are applied. Keep the 25-character code handy and avoid copying mistakes. Use uppercase letters and hyphens exactly. This sets you up so redeeming goes straight to your wallet, rather than creating a mismatch between accounts. Now you're doing the core action, redeeming. In the Microsoft Store, click your profile icon and choose Redeem Code, or open the Xbox app and go to Settings Redeem. Alternatively, visit the Redeem page on Xbox.com and sign in. Enter the 25-character code exactly as shown. Hyphens and letters matter. Make sure the displayed currency and region match your account because mismatches block redemption. Confirm the amount and accept any prompts. Once processed, the funds go into your Finish by verifying the result. Open your Microsoft account wallet or purchase history to see the credited amount. Use that balance at checkout or to start a download. Choose wallet as the payment method if prompted. If the credit doesn't appear or the code returns an error, don't panic. Check that your account region matches the card, confirm the code hasn't expired, and try redeeming on Xbox.com or the Xbox app on another device. If problems persist, contact Microsoft support with the card details handy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.